How to use the climate controls. Make sure the unit is securely plugged into a 110 volt outlet. Turn the master switch on the back of the unit to the on position. The lighted switch will then be illuminated. You will hear a beep. You will see a red light next to the power button indicating the unit has power. Press the power button on the remote or the power button on the unit to turn the unit on and off. Mode button functions. Press the mode button one time to get to HH or high heat. You can adjust the thermostat with the arrow buttons. Press the mode button two times to go to HL or heat low. You can adjust the temperatures with the arrow buttons. Note, when the unit is in heat mode, make sure it is set at least 4 degrees higher than your house thermostat to ensure the unit is at its most effective. Press the mode button another 2 times to go to fan mode. You can adjust the fan speed with the arrow buttons from 1 to 10, with 10 being full force or FF. To adjust the brightness of the LED screen, hold down the mode button until you hear a beep and the LED screen flashes. Press the arrow button to adjust the brightness up and down on your LED screen. To change the temperature display from Fahrenheit to Celsius, hold the mode button down until it beeps and the LED screen flashes. Press the timer button once to change it to the opposite of what it was already set to. Fahrenheit temperature's range is 40 to 90 degrees and Celsius temperature range is 4 to 32 degrees. To set the timer, tap the timer button once for 1 hour, twice for 2 hours, all the way up to 24 hours. When the unit is plugged in but not running, you can set the unit to turn on after your choice of 1 to 24 hours. Cooling mode, wind noise. The high-tech impeller runs very quiet. It has 10 speeds. The higher noise level you hear at high speeds are not due to the fan, but the wind velocity. This is unavoidable if you want wind chill cooling. A ceiling fan at top speed only produces wind velocities right under the fan at the floor level about 300 feet per minute. This only produces minus 7.3 wind chill. When you get out from under the fan, the wind velocity drops dramatically. The climate produces a wind velocity near the unit of over 600 feet per minute at top speed, which produces minus 14.7 wind chill. But the wind at that velocity will create high noise levels. You can get a good minus 10 degrees wind chill at a lower speed and have relatively quiet wind velocity. Extension cords. You may want to use an extension cord to get the climate in the desired position in the room due to your electrical outlet location. If an extension cord is necessary, use the shortest possible heavy-duty cord of 14 gauge wire or larger. Use a 3-prong cord rated for 15 amps, 125 volts, and 1,875 watts. Be sure it is UL listed. Adjusting the functions on your climate. You can adjust all the functions of the climate with the remote except for the LED brightness and switching from Fahrenheit to Celsius.